Learning resources play a vital role in supporting academic excellence and student success. As a head of department, having visibility into library activities helps ensure that both teachers and students have access to the materials they need to achieve their educational goals. AfrikSabify's library management tools provide a centralized system for managing books, tracking transaction, monitoring resource usage, and improving access to educational materials across your department. We have the library dashboard. The library dashboard gives you a quick overview of library activities, including available books, total books, active books, pending reservations, and some of the quick actions here. Whenever you click on it, it takes you to this left hand side specifically, and we have the recent transactions. We have the most popular books, and you can check the overdue books, and we have some library activities. And if you want to add a book, you can easily add a book from the library dashboard. Next, we have the book catalog. The book catalog allows you to browse and manage the library's collection of books and learning resources easily. Easily search for materials, review available titles, and ensure that relevant resources are available for your departments. So these are the various books that are inside of the system. You can either view your book, you can either edit this book, or delete the book if the book is not more needed in the system. You can search, you can filter by categories, you can filter by the format, and you can filter by all statuses. To add a book, click on add a book, fill out this form, and endeavor to always follow the format here to upload either a cover image, or you just add your URL. Okay, to upload a file, click on this upload, and you choose a file from your device and upload here, and make sure you follow this format. Or you can use the AI feature that is going to facilitate your generation, and when that is done, click on the add a book. So I'm not going to add a book for now. Next, we have the transaction. The transaction section helps track book borrowing and returns, monitor who has borrowed resources, due date, return books, and outstanding transactions to maintain proper accountability and resource management. To borrow a book, click on the process borrow, fill out this form, and click on process borrow. Let me say I want to borrow this. Select the borrower, you add the date, click on the calendar icon, you add your date, add extra notes, and you click on book. Next, we have a reservation. Teachers and students can reserve books and learning materials in advance, ensuring that important resources are available when needed for teaching, learning, and research. So to create a reservation, click on the create reservation, fill out this form, and you click on your create a reservation. Next, we have the library set. Inside of the library settings, you'll be able to configure your library rules and performance for your school. We have the borrowing rules, define rules, reservations, we have the library features, and we have the contacts information. And when that is done, you click on save changes. And we have this AI feature that is going to help you to set up your library rules and regulations. And we have fine policy builder that is going to help you to set up your fine policies. And we have the settings information, you can just go through it, and not forgetting this two AI feature, which is a call Sophie, where you can call on her to ask for any questions inside of your portal. And we have this chat widget that also helps you to chat with either this, if you need help with these features, or you can just either send a message to her and she's going to respond instantly. Together, these tools helps department improve resource management, encourage reading and research, and support a more effective learning environment. With AfrikSabify library management system, heads of departments can ensure that educational resources are organized, accessible, and effectively utilized. By improving visibility into library operations and resource usage, you can better support teaching, learning, and academic achievement throughout your department. Thanks for watching.